This is how to make bruschetta ahead of time. It's a great hack for staying organised when entertaining. The bread can be made a day ahead and stored in an airtight container. Just brush thick slices of a pane di casa loaf with olive oil and grill for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And once it's cool, just pop it in a container. If the bread softens a little when you're ready to serve, just pop it in the oven at 200 or 180 fan force for 5 minutes to crisp it up again. We like to rub the bread with a clove of garlic to give it extra flavour. Now make the tomato mix with chopped tomatoes, garlic, red onion and chilli. Cover the mix with plastic wrap and store it in the fridge for up to 2 days. On the day of serving, just drain the liquid from the tomatoes with a strainer so the bread stays super crunchy. Then just finish the mix off with basil and olive oil, season with salt and pepper and top the bread with the tomato mix. Thanks to this clever get-ahead trick, you'll have this delicious appetizer on the table in no time.